Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to get flight price alerts with Skyscanner. This is a fantastic feature that automatically notifies you when prices drop for your chosen route, so you can book at the perfect time without constantly checking manually. First, you'll want to open your browser and navigate to skyscanner.com. Once you're there, make sure to log in to your account. Signing in is important because it allows Skyscanner to save your preferences and send you those price alerts directly. Now that you're logged in, look for the search section on the homepage. You'll see a field labeled From, where you need to input your departure destination. Go ahead and type in the city or airport you'll be flying from. Next, move down to the To field and input your arrival destination. This is where you want to travel to, so choose carefully based on your trip plans. Here's where it gets interesting. When you reach the Depart section, instead of selecting a specific date, click on Flexible Date. This option is crucial because it gives you more control over finding the best deals across different days and times. After clicking Flexible Date, you'll be prompted to choose a month. Select the month that works best for your travel plans. This helps Skyscanner track prices across the entire month rather than just one specific day. You'll want to do the same thing for the return date. Click on the Return field, select Flexible Date again, and choose your return month. This ensures you're getting comprehensive price tracking for your entire trip. Once you've set both months, go ahead and click Search. Skyscanner will now process your request and show you various flight options across those months. On the results page, you'll see a calendar view showing different prices for different days. Select a specific day within the month for both your departure and return flights. This helps narrow down your search to more concrete options. After selecting your preferred days, click Find Flights. This will take you to a more detailed view of available flights on those specific dates, and you might need to wait a moment while the page loads all the flight information. Now here's the most important step. On the top left of your screen, you'll see an option that says Get Price Alerts. Click on this button. By doing so, you're activating Skyscanner's monitoring system for this specific route and these dates. Skyscanner will now track price changes and notify you via email whenever there's a significant drop or increase. And that's it. You've successfully set up price alerts for your flight. Now Skyscanner will do the hard work of monitoring prices for you, and you'll receive notifications when it's the best time to book. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.